Well, hello there, and welcome. What is this? We don't know. Is this another special edition of my cooking show?
Oh yeah.
Is every new edition of my cooking show somehow special because I never fucking do it? Yes. Is this something I tell myself to make myself feel better for disappearing for months on end because I feel so horribly uncreative and untalented? Definitely. Are my cats gonna be there every step of the way, leaving their hair around and stuff? You bet your ass they will. Anyway, we're gonna make some English muffins. Did I prepare for this?
Absolutely not.
Did I clean the kitchen at least? No. Do I have all the ingredients I need to make this?
Honestly, I don't know.
Do I feel like shit?
Yes.
Do I look like shit? Also yes. Is it gonna stop me from filming this? Well, sure. It has in the past, but today I feel like abandoning all my other responsibilities. So, since these are English muffins, we're gonna be speaking English, I suppose. We're gonna start with a bowl and a kitchen scale. Flour, instant yeast. Oh, now it's gonna grow in my cupboard. Some salt. Shooting in Varpitili. Now, we add our liquid ingredients. 270 milliliters of warm water. Oh, I forgot sugar. Of course I did. Of course I did, because I'm so negligent of my yeast babies. 2 teaspoons of sugar coming right up. Whop, whop. Honestly, fuck my life. Fuck all of this. Fuck food. You know, I don't see the point of living, to be honest. And I used to find it here in a bowl such as this, with a content such as this, and filming stuff like this. But no more. No longer do I see the point in any of this. And the only reason I'm doing this is because a bunch of my friends were kind enough to get me a phone for my birthday, so I want to repay them by making this. That's not a good way to repay anyone. Making a video nobody cares about, but oh well. You know, if there was one secret ingredient of my cooking show, it was always self-deprecation. So at least in that way, I am on brand. Now we add 30 milliliters of oil. Oh, I overdid a little bit, but that's okay. We in this household
respect the oil.
Now,
It's time.
if you don't have a silicone mat, lightly oil a clean surface. To knead. The need for knead is happening right now. Fuck it, we bowl. Well, who doesn't love having a meltdown when working with dough? I know I don't. What we're looking for is a smooth bowl that will bounce back when you press it. I can't relate to that sentiment because if someone presses me, then I fucking hold a grudge till I'm dead. Okay, let's try it. I don't know, I should work it a little more. Add a little more cat hair to it. You know, I've been in a crisis for a long time, and I'm sure most of you can relate because lots of us went through shit in the last 2 years, and a lot of us are still going through shit, myself included, but I don't know how to break out of it. I thought, you know, I should protect my peace and stuff because I have the privilege to, and I feel so awful even admitting that this was my goal. But the thing is, protecting my peace brought me nowhere, if I'm being honest. So I can't recommend that strategy. Maybe you can recommend yours. What is that? Anyway, let's try poking it again. Well, this is fine. Anyway, back into the bowl. Add a little more oil to the edges of the bowl so that nothing sticks while it's resting. And you know, for a proper rest, you need to create the right atmosphere. So, let's work on that.
Do you get what you need from your lover boy? Does this thing that you call love really bring you joy? Watch my mouth open up and tell you things I shouldn't say. Burn with me, 'cause we were born this way. Round and round and round and round, never
here we are, an hour later. Time to roll. Now get the pin. It's already uneven. I love it. I don't think we want to roll it too thin. Now, for the cutting process. And there we have it. We're gonna take this dough, the extra dough, out and make it into a bowl again, because we love balls. Dough balls. What are we doing with this, you ask? I'll tell you. We're gonna need a baking sheet, some parchment, and some cornmeal. Gonna put this on the baking sheet. Carefully transfer these there. There you go. We sprinkle these with more corn flour. And now, time for a damp towel, which is literally how I feel today and always. I think this is good enough. And while I repeat the process with the remaining dough, these are gonna just chill for another half an hour. See you then. Well, hello again, and we're back. Just half an hour later, and it's already getting dark. Don't you just love winter? Don't you just love it when it gets dark outside before you can finish making your breakfast? So, we have been preheating this for 5 minutes on medium low, no oil, so that when we put our muffins here, they can cook. See you in 7 minutes.
Guess who's back? Back again. Muffins back. Tell a friend.
Actually, I lied. I'm back more than 7 minutes later. I'm back 12 minutes later with some ready English muffins. They look like this. They're very hot. Good enough. And now, for the exciting part of this. We're gonna use the same skillet to make some eggs that are not eggs and meat that is not meat. Plop, plop. If your skillet has a handle, that should come in handy.
The meat is done. Beef is what's for dinner.
Use the same pan to make the eggs. I suppose we're just gonna have to do this. This is what you're not gonna... Yeah, I was gonna say, this is what you're not gonna see at any regular, good old, professional Instagram cooking show. But you will see it here. Exclusive. A 31-year-old woman is making a fool of herself. Extra, extra. Spread the news. Finally, the egg. This egg is amazing. But, you know, you can use whatever egg you like. Just don't use real eggs, okay? Because we care about chickens here and we don't want cholesterol. Oh my god, no cholesterol. In it goes. And now we scramble. I hate this pan. And it hates me, so we're even. Cook thoroughly, whatever that means. It seems cooked to me. I'm cooked, definitely. And we're just gonna move on, okay? Let's do it. We grab our knife. We grab our muffin. We slice it halfway, and hopefully we see some, well, we see some bread. I think you're supposed to see like holes from the yeast, but do we see them? No. But does it happen? No. What we really need is a feminine muffin on.
A what?
A feminine muffin on. Pretty good, actually. Did this meet my expectations? Sure. Would I make it again? Definitely. Was it worth the hassle? Honestly, if you're not mentally ill, there isn't much of a hassle. So, go vegan, guys. And I hope you enjoyed. For some reason, for whatever reason. I definitely enjoyed making it. For you? That Diva. Say bye, Diva. Bye, Diva.